Hey folks, Cody here, and in this lesson I'm breaking down this intermediate / advanced bluegrass lick in the key of C. If you're new here, I went to school for bluegrass music at East Tennessee State University's Bluegrass and Old Time Country Music program in that magical city that you hear in Wagon Wheel, Johnson City, Tennessee, back when I had some hair. Therefore, I've got a couple things to share with you here, all right? So this lick is cool because it integrates some chromatic intervals into it, which is a fancy way of saying that we're not skipping over frets, and in doing so, creating this real bluegrass sounding run. Very important, your hand has to go up, down on your picking pattern here, or else this isn't gonna work. Our home bases are right here, okay? So go ahead and grab your C chord. I'm gonna start my metronome here, and I'm starting this on the 1 beat. I'm gonna break this down into 2 sections here, okay? 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. Okay? 1. Again. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and... Okay. So what I'm doing there is I am starting on that 1 beat on a G note, and then what I'm doing on the low E string, A string, and D string is just going open 1, 2, 3 with those respective fingers that you see on your screen right there, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. I recommend doing that slowly until you get the hang of it. From there, on our G string, as we're kind of working our way downwards, we're gonna start the same way, all right? So we're gonna get to our 2nd fret, and then we're gonna drop our pointer finger down to hit that root note C on our 1st fret B string. Okay, big stretch with my pinky to the 4th fret of my B string. That's an important note in bluegrass music when we're playing in the key of C or in the C position, because that's like our flattened 3rd. That's a blue sounding note, all right? That's gonna tie a lot of things together. Make a mental note of that, all right? 1st fret on our high E string to the 2nd fret, then back to the 4th fret B string. We're gonna go and do that motion again. And then at the end of a lick in C, I recommend playing a C run, or just throwing it in. And if you're in the key of G, do a G run, and if you're in the key of D, do a D run. If you're confused about what those are, they're kind of the basic building blocks of bluegrass music. And if you are unfamiliar, there's a link down in the description for free tabs, and I play those so you figure it out. Also, if this lesson is too difficult and you're wanting to get started on bluegrass guitar, but maybe you feel overwhelmed or you don't exactly think that you're ready for a lick like this, I do offer an 85 lesson beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar course. It's aimed to help basically players that can confidently play their G, C, and D chords, but really want to dig into learning bluegrass music at a deeper level. I dive into it. There's on-screen tabs. You're going to get lifetime access. I'll be updating it over time. It doesn't get too musically complicated, so it's great for beginners. If you are interested, it's never too late to learn bluegrass guitar. There's a link down in the description, and if you use this code, you can take a little bit extra off for being here on YouTube with me. Folks, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.